Hey guys, this is my view this morning. We're in an area where our friends have a beautiful home up on the river, and we just had the most relaxing weekend that we could ever have. I needed that just to get away, refresh, think about things, think about what's coming up, and just put things in perspective. If you have a special place that you can come and get away from all the negative, go. If it's on a bank, if it's on a hill, if it's looking at a mountain, or if it's looking at a river, like we are. And this is the Cartecay River. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Hope it's full of sunshine and beautiful memories. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And remember to be kind, be loving, and be kinder than they are. I love you until tomorrow. So enjoy the next minute or two and listen to this beautiful river in the Cartecay River in Georgia.